Hi, I'm Jordan, and we're going to be talking about the Men's Quest Mixed Media Gauntlet Glove. This is a great glove. Fits perfectly with Harley-Davidson's Quest triple vent system jacket and riding trousers. These are waterproof and seam sealed with a 45-degree pre-curved finger. It's going to take no time to break this glove in, and it fits right from the get-go, which I love. Adjustable wrist and cuff closures that helps me customize my own fit. Again, all these little personalized elements, which I really dig about this glove. This is a size medium, which I am, and it fits true to size. Extremely comfortable. Mixed media, if you're wondering, means nylon, spandex, and goatskin leather construction. You'll be happy to know it's reinforced with a padded palm, padded fingers, has a reinforced knuckle with CE level 1 padding. There is reflective material, as you can see here. You can stay connected with touchscreen compatibility. The Gauntlet style cuff can be worn under or over the jacket. That is up to you, whatever your preference is. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you next time.